It's my mailbox. Came here last night, and there's 2 deer standing right over there in my yard. So these 2 just come from when I come out. That time of year, man, they come out up in my yard a lot in the winter. Oh, there's another one. There's 3 of them there now. Cool, baby. I love seeing these deer all the time. Right out my window. Right in my own yard. It's awesome. Hardly see any bucks, but I have seen I've seen a giant one in my driveway one day. But usually those. I just want to show you that. Pretty cool, huh? Shut up, dog. Dang, dog started barking, and I come over to the window. Oh, see what he's barking at. Yeah, that's a deer. A couple of them out there. Where'd the other one go? Where'd he go? Oh, he's right up here. He's looking at me. Yeah, I'm looking out my back door. It's my woods. Right in the middle of the daytime. Well, early evening. Like, time at 4 o'clock. 4:20 actually. Yeah, it's 4:20. Oh no, I'm missing my 4:20. Right out my door. Hey there, dear. Oh, it's 20 degrees, or it's not even 20 degrees. It's like 15 degrees out today, so got the door open. It's getting kind of cold. That's cool. Right here in my own yard. Ooh. There he is. No matter how many miles your car has. Awesome. Call Endurance right now for a free price quote and never worry about paying for covered auto repairs or regular maintenance. Dang, can't hold this thing still. Well, it's getting cold. I'm closing the door. One more last look at this one. He's gone. Oh, wait a minute. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Right there. That was still staring at me. Alright, I'm getting out of here now. It's cold. Of course, my phone ain't gonna zoom in. It'll be clear, but it's a little buck. Come out here to take my dog for a walk. Check out the weather. The 12 inches of snow, 12 to 18 inches of snow is supposed to get. And you can see there's still grass showing. But check out the deer. Oh, there's another one. No, that ain't deer. Okay. Yeah. It's just right outside my house. I'm just right across the road. There he goes. Must have been more on the other side of that hill. That's still like 100 yards from that hilltop to that woods. So stay here, dog. But anyway, I got it on. Yeah, we're supposed to get 12 to 18 inches. This is what we got. Yeah, big thick ice. And a few inches. I mean, there's spots where it's 4 or 5 inches. But yeah, it's. So you can see there's ice on the trees. Well, not that far away, but this phone sucks. Yeah, well, hopefully I'll be able to get out and hunt before everybody else now, since we didn't get much. Well, it's still snowing. Oh, there's my dog taking a shit. Don't want to see that. But anyway, yeah, check out some of this ice. Pretty cool. Just icy, icy, icy. No arrowheads today. But hopefully it won't be long. Hopefully, I mean, the ice snow seems like it brings them out. Oh, there's another deer. He jumped up another deer out there. A couple more. Alright. Dog, get over here! Dog goes, hey, Dad, there's a couple more over here you missed. Yes, right across the road from my house, man. It's awesome. But yeah, I had some pretty good snow. Oh, see that? Tornado. Snow-nado. Pretty windy. And starting to snow a little bit again. But I had some pretty good snow this morning for a while. But said there's drifts more than snow, deep snow anywhere. There's drifts some places. Yeah, it's getting kind of chilly out here. It's supposed to get cold and supposed to still get 5-6 inches, but my neck of the woods, I ain't counting on it. And more snow nados out there. You can't really see. I wish my phone was better. Come on, dog. Come on, time to go in. Yeah, this phone sucks. This phone sucks for distances. Well, good luck, everybody. Hope you make it through this blizzard. Eagle Beacon Kai out. Well, it's February 3rd, 2022. And I'm out here where I was at yesterday, across from my house. And that's kind of a deep spot. Out here over this field, it's been like 10 inches average. Everywhere, there ain't been much right here. But out there by my truck, it's about a foot. It drifts. A couple feet in the back in places, so it's still snowing. So yeah, it's like 8 inches. Anywhere from 8 to 11, 12 inches out here. And it's still coming. The dog won't go out without me, such a baby. So I had to come out here, take the dog. I ain't been out since yesterday when we scared up the deer right over there. But ain't now out here today. It's a little colder, a little nastier. Ooh, yeah, it's cold. But anyway, guess we did get a little bit of that blizzard after all. Woo! Oh, that's cold right in the wind. Well, good luck, everybody. Eagle Beak out. Yeah. Let's see how deep this one is. Right here in the top. At 26 inches. 26 inches. And then 2 foot away, nothing. 26 there. Cool drift. But not a good spot for it right here in my driveway. Well, we finally got some snow. It's been a while since I had something like this. Really blowy, so there's going to be a lot of cool drifts everywhere. I'll just come outside to take pictures of this ice. And there's a deer standing over there. You see him? He was right here by this tree. There he goes. Yeah, he's standing right here by this tree right here. There's his tracks. Cool. Right here in the 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, look at all the ice. It's icy. I guess the deer. I don't know where he went. I don't know where that deer went. Probably still down there somewhere. Anyway, I'm getting off here. It's upside down. 3 deer in my yard. Oh, Eddie's scared. Oh, damn it. Damn it. This phone. There's 2 more out there in the woods. I'll see them right here now. Eddie, you scared him away. Come on, Ed. I'm watching the deer, Dad. Yeah. They're out in the woods now. Yeah, be quiet. Come on. Now he's gonna quit, ain't he? He was playing with a ball of ice. It was funny. Indians, the only brave one. Only one brave enough to get out in the snow. You know, these guys. Stashy's old man. He's like 100 years old. I can't really see. So bright. Same as shit. Well, here I am, finally out on my property after the snow. Look at that log. It's still, and that's like 8-10 inches on that log still. Man. But man, I don't know if you could tell, but a few of these are dog tracks, but man, there's just tracks all over out here. Like real close, see them little tracks. See them too, where something stood there. Possum or I don't know. But right over here, keep finding these little holes. I think it's squirrels. Dig down and get a nut, see, and then they always seem to go right to a tree just about. Yeah, there's tracks everywhere. Most of these are deer. Look, that little bank there, those little animal tracks all over there. Scattered all around. But this is a deer trail here. Springs thawing out. See, that's all animal tracks and holes already been digging up the nuts and stuff. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's my property up that notch. Side of that hill. Right, there's the back of it. And then there's my big dead oak. But yeah, this is what I got. This valley. Yeah, it's been full of deer the last week or so. And there's tracks everywhere out here. You see, this is my hills. Just the points here. There's my dog. There's my damn dog. What you doing, Kai? Shh. Come on, dog. Listens very well. Here, see, there's another. Holes are everywhere. I think the squirrels are digging up stuff. See, up there's my house. And I got that valley. And up that valley. And all these hill points. Man, didn't realize I had so many dang squirrels. Man, you'd think you'd find an arrowhead in this little spring once in a while, but ain't hardly even no rocks. There's a big old rock right here. Probably can't see it though. No, it's buried down in there. Big old rock in there. It's got a big old hole in it. Anyway, this is my property. My little slice of heaven. Yeah, see up that valley right there's where I find the mushrooms, the morels. Right by that big tree right there. Yeah, this is pretty much all of it right here. And that's my property. Hopefully I'll be able to head hunt for it long. If I can find a field, it won't be too long so fields are cleared out. But I don't know, the rate they're melting, creeks might not be too long. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here. Good luck, everybody. Eagle Beak out. I think this was a deer bed here, maybe. And just up the hill from, and there's a mushroom spot. Nice view from up here too. You see it, the sun. Yeah, it's like a deer bed here. So I've been seeing deer about every day right here on my property the last week or so. Yep, see, here's another one. Here's where they've been sleeping. There's another one too. Must have been mama and the young laying right side by side. Cool. Deer sleeping right here. Whew. This wears you out. It's warm out. I'm kind of overdressed. Oh, here's another one. Another one. Yeah, that's why I keep seeing them over on this side. They keep sleeping here. Huh. Yeah, that's just deer central right here, buddy. See, they keep coming right up here. Right out in my yard over there. There's a tree. A big tree over there. They keep coming up and licking it, so threw a little bit of salt down by it. So maybe they come up and lick the salt. That's cool. The whole dang family's sleeping out here. Find some rails down here too a couple times. Oh, this tree fell over. Oh man, I watched this tree. Cherry tree. It fell over. Dang. I have to do some trail clearing. Well, I can bring my nephews out and sledding today. We ain't got no dang boots. That's a nice view from up here. Yeah. This is all deer tracks here. Going right into my yard. One of them sleep right there. Just probably already been standing and pawing and stuff a lot. Yeah, see, all these are deer tracks out here. Well, mostly. There's a couple of dog tracks probably, but there's deer tracks all over this my yard. So they keep coming up here. This tree and licking. I was hoping to see him, but he was sleeping here. I don't know, they keep licking on that tree. There's my yard. And there's my woods. Good luck, everybody. Here's my porch. Here's how I broke my arm trying to feed all these guys. All piled up on here. This ain't even all my cats. We got 13 cats. There goes one out there. No, y'all go out. Done messed up, didn't I? Gotta get him out now.
Men like that need exterminating so this country will be fit for decent people to live in. This is wild country out here, man. I don't think another killing's gonna happen.
Where'd the other one go? Oh, it's right over there.
The law had its chance. Harry Quinn stood 2 murders.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
And all he ever got was 8 months in a human
3 of them again.
It happens all the time. Men kill and then just go.
Oh, there's right in the yard. It's on this side of the fence.
Not this time.
Sitting there. What's the kitties? Check it out. Snow's about gone. Got a little bit of snow this morning, but barely see that one's back. That one.
She's her father's daughter. You see, Sam Pryor always got what he wanted.
Oh, kitty, you ain't going out.
She's got his money now.
Pretty dang cool, man.
Plenty of easy guns to park and make.
Yeah, right. That hill right over there is where they was sleeping this last week. Over there on that hilltop. Oh, there he's sticking his head up.
I can't hit you now. Well, nobody says you have to do it alone. I do. All right.
Pretty dang cool, man. 3 deer right here in my yard again. Oh, come on. There's a couple chunks of salt out there for him, but I don't know if he found it. Pretty awesome. Oh, he's looking at me. He's looking at me now.
Interested in helping me. Well, if you want me to tell you the truth.
There's Bart.
$600 for you. There's a road waiting whichever way you go.
Oh, he don't like looking at me. Oh, I scared him. It's filled the end of my lane. All these deer all over. They're just scattered all over this field. Yep, getting that time of year, they're all starting to herd up pretty good. Group up. Lots of deer around this part of the country. It's a typical sight. These haven't got antlers. Anyway, I gotta go check the creek, see if they're ready to hunt before it gets dark, so I can be ready to go tomorrow.